Hi, welcome to Matt's Machine Shop. Today we're going to be doing a little repair work. This was the handle off of our drill press that elevated it up and down on the column, and it was made out of cast plastic, so it was inevitable that it was going to break at some point, I think. So what we're going to do, we're going to take and make one, but we're going to make it heavy duty. We'll make it out of aluminum this time, so hopefully it won't break. We looked it over, made a few measurements, and we transferred that over to a little drawing that we got here. It shows our basic dimensions and what we plan to do. And we rounded up a little piece of stock from the back room, and we got somewhere to start, so we'll have to lay this out, and I'll show you more. Okay, I want to stop at this point and do a quick product review. I'm looking at this Toolmakers Inc., this Toolmate stuff. Just don't buy it. I've tried it. I try to keep the tip clean. I clean it back out. It just clogs up. No matter if you shake it for 2 minutes, it just doesn't matter. It comes out, it's all splotchy. It's just, all right, that's my product review for Toolmates, Toolmakers Blue. It gets 2 thumbs down. Okay, I think you can probably see the lines there. We've traced it out on this crummy blue that we've got going, and I can see where they're at, and we're going to take this over and we'll put it on the bandsaw, and we got our metal cutting blade in there, and we're going to cut this out, and we'll get this thing cut to approximate dimensions on the bandsaw. I'll show you more. Okay, we've got our piece roughly cut out here, and we're going to go ahead and take it and put it in the mill, and we'll put it on this surface here because it was flat to start with. And we'll cut this bottom surface down here. Then we'll turn it around and put it on this surface, and we'll cut this right here so these become parallel. And I'll get that in there and get that done, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, we went ahead and machined that second surface, as you can see, and up to the shoulder, and we had an 1.5 inch just regular end mill in there to do that. So now we'll turn it, and we'll turn it on an angle in the vise, and we'll machine that 45-degree angle that you see right there. Show you more. Okay, since this angle is not really super critical, we just went ahead and put it in the vise, and we eyeballed it up against a piece of tool stock there, just to get a straight line across there. So now we'll go ahead and cut it. We'll use that same end mill. Okay, here's what it looks like after taking that cut. We milled it just back to that corner there and just cut it off flat. We'll make the next cut and I'll show you more. Okay, there's the next cut. Flipped it over and machined that step down. Now we'll go ahead and caulk it like we did the last time, and we'll cut that corner off right there, that little 45. Okay, here's what we got so far. We got this piece here. Now we're going to have to turn it the other direction, up on end here, and start laying out holes and getting the rest of the shape in that direction. So I get that laid out and ready to go. I'll show you what we got. Okay, so we went ahead and we drilled our through hole for the shaft, put in a 1032 set screw, and threaded this end over here for 3/8/16 for the handle coming off. Then we also went ahead and scribed a couple lines, as you can see there, to taper down this part of the handle. We'll put it back in the mill, and I'll show you more. See, we've cut the taper on both sides here, and now we're just taking this corner rounding bit and running it down both top edges, and we'll just break that a little bit and give it a little bit of more contour. Okay, so there we have it. Let's radius the rest of that on the sander by hand just to kind of finish it off. So we'll go ahead and put the handle in there together and put it on the machine and see how it works. Okay, there we have it. There's our replacement handle. We'll show you fully operational. And there's another project from Matt's Machine Shop. Thanks for watching.